QBO offers several reports that help you track stock levels, stock value, and sales performance. Below are the most important reports and how to use them effectively. Starting off with the Inventory Valuation Summary report. This report provides an overview of your current inventory, showing the quantity on hand, average cost, and total value of each item. This report helps you track the overall value of your inventory and assess how much capital is tied up in stock. You can use this report to monitor stock levels, track inventory value, and assess purchasing needs. You can use this report to identify which items need to be reordered based on their current quantities. At Flourish Bakeries, the inventory valuation summary shows that their high demand baking ingredients are running low. This helps the bakery plan a timely reorder to ensure they can meet customer demand during a busy period. The inventory valuation detailed report provides a detailed breakdown of all transactions, including purchases, sales, and adjustments. This report shows how the quantity and value of your inventory change over time, helping you track the flow of goods in and out of your business. You can use this report to track inventory movements. You can review all transactions affecting your inventory, such as purchases, sales, and adjustments. You can analyze changes in stock value and ensure accurate record keeping. You can use this report to verify that all stock related transactions are properly recorded in QuickBooks. The stock status by item report shows the current quantity, reorder points, and backorder status for each inventory item. This report is useful for tracking which items are low in stock or need to be reordered, helping you avoid stockouts or overstocking. You can use the stock status by item report to identify low stock items and quickly spot which items are running low and need to be reordered. You can monitor reorder points and ensure that the reorder points are set accurately to maintain optimal stock levels. You can also track back orders and check for any items that are on back order and plan your purchasing accordingly. For instance, Flourish Bakeries runs the stock status by item report and identifies that their key ingredient, chocolate chips, is nearing its reorder point. This allows them to place an order in advance, avoiding potential delays in production. The Sales by Product Service Summary report provides insights into the sales performance of each item, showing the quantity sold and the total revenue generated. This report helps you identify your top selling products and analyze the profitability of each item. You can use the Sales by Product or Service Summary report to monitor product performance, adjust purchasing history, and evaluate pricing strategies. By assessing the profitability of each product and adjusting pricing to maximize margins. By leveraging the insights from inventory reports in QBO, you can make informed decisions about purchasing, pricing, and inventory control. Here's how you can use these reports to improve your inventory management practices. Optimize stock levels. Use the stock status by item report to identify items that need to be reordered or discontinued. This helps prevent stockouts or excess inventory. Inventory Valuation Summary report shows the current value of your inventory. Use this data to make smart purchasing decisions and manage cash flow by reducing overstocked items. Use the Sales by Product Service Summary report to identify which products are most profitable, adjust pricing, or focus on marketing efforts for high margin products. Track how quickly inventory items are selling by reviewing the Sales by Product Service Summary report. This helps you identify slow moving items that may need discounts or promotional efforts. Use inventory reports to track how well your vendors are performing. If you notice stockouts or delays in receiving goods, consider negotiating better terms or finding new suppliers. QBO allows you to customize the reports to focus on the specific data you need. Customizing reports enables you to gain deeper insights into your stock and make decisions based on relevant information. Customize inventory reports. Run the inventory report first. Use the filter options to customize the report. You can filter by date range, product category, specific inventory items, or vendors. Customize the report's layout by adding or removing columns. For example, you can add columns for specific fields such as the product SKU or reorder points. Once you have customized the report, click Save Customization to save the settings for future use. You can access your customized reports under the Custom Reports section. If needed, export the report to Excel or PDF format or print it for sharing with team members or for offline review.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.